How to change profile picture in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change profile picture in Meta Business Suite, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Meta Business Suite account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you can see the home page. On this page, you can see several options, alright. And then once you can see that, move to the left side of the screen where you can see options too, such as home, notifications, inbox, content, planner, etc. Then scroll down and select settings. After selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. So on this page, you can see users. Under users, you can see people, partners, as well as system users. The another account, you can see pages, um, add account, apps, comments accounts, etc. Next thing you have to do, once you're on this page, is to go to the left side of the screen again and then click on the search icon. So after clicking on the search icon in the window displayed, just go ahead and type out business, and then you can see the options that is being displayed: business access groups, business creative folders, business portfolio info. That's our focus, so just click on it. After clicking on it, you can now cancel the search box, and then you can now see business information. So the next step is to check out. You can see when you scroll down, you can see name, email, and all of that. Then the next thing is to move to the top, the first option here, which contains the profile picture. Move to the right side and then click on edit. And here you can now see the two options. You can see a pencil icon on the profile picture. That is what we'll focus on. So just click on that pencil icon. And then you can see change your business manager's picture. So you can now choose a file and then go ahead and select the new picture that you would like to use. For me, I'll leave it at this picture. So once you've selected the picture, let's say for example, you selected let's select a picture now. So after selecting the picture, click on open, and then you wait for it to be uploaded, then click on submit, and then you wait for it to load, and then once it has loaded, the profile picture would be changed automatically. So you can see how it works. The processes involved in changing your profile picture is not difficult. Just ensure that you locate where your business information is, then upload it. You are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.